Hi guys, I'm swapping out a couple of bicycle bells, and while it might seem a silly video, I thought I'd share with you that in the Netherlands you are obliged to have a bicycle bell on your bike, and it's very easy to get one on or off, but they do have the function, as in regards to the LED clip-on lights, they are required by law, and if a cop pulls you over, he can fine you if you don't have a proper bell on there. So this is the old one. It's completely shot. There was a pin in here that came out, plastic pin. The funny thing though is that this bell bike was given to people, and let's see if you can see that. I might roll in a picture, but it was given by the TU Delft quality monitor something. Doesn't state what entity that is within the Technische Universiteit of Delft, but it breaks. So quality, I don't think so. But I have two two bells to put on. A very simple one that I'm going to put on the stem of that one, the handlebar stem, and it's very simple. It has a screw in here, and it opens up like that, so it's very easy to clip on. Okay, the screw. But as I talked about in earlier videos, most international students here, they buy a second-hand bike for almost nothing, and it's complete junk, and even the bell doesn't work, but it's very simple to get one and put it on. So just with a screwdriver. Like this, line it out a bit and tighten it. So, and if you want a bigger bell, like this one, it's cheap too, for a couple of euros. No guarantee that it will be that price, but you can get one. Now, if the plastic here is a bit tough, you can run a bit of hot water over it. That will soften it a bit, and then you can clip it on more easily. Now you do have to watch in what direction the handle works. This is a left-handed bell, because the bell always has to be, the bell itself, on top, because of rain. That it, well, at least a bit less rain will come inside and ruin the inner works. Just clip it on like that. Yeah. Oh, one moment. So, dropping the screw is never wise. And then just push the screw in. Screw it down a bit, position it properly, and yeah. This bicycle handlebar is a bit big for this bike, but it will fit with a little bit of effort. So let's see. Well, a lot of effort, I guess. Attempt number 3. So, yeah, and now it's too tight. You need to move it a little bit. So, like this, and that's perfect. So tighten it up. And that's that. You're by law required to have such a bell on your bike. It's very easy to get one on, and if you have an old bike, check it. If it's not functional, replace it. So I hope this helped, and have a great day.